Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I've been thrifting and upcycling clothes for more than 30 years. On my channel, I hope to inspire others to upcycle and buy secondhand instead of indulging in fast fashion. I picked up this summer dress for $2 from a local thrift store. I knew it was too small and was a style I would never wear, however, I couldn't resist the beautiful rose pattern. It would be the perfect project to convert into a skirt. To make the skirt length longer, I took advantage of the dress bodice to extend the top of the skirt. Next, I hemmed the raw edge of the new waist. Because the dress was made of 95% polyester and 5% elastin, it has a lot of give yet still holds its shape. Frankly, this project could not have been simpler. Then it's over to the machine to machine stitch the waist hem. I didn't even double hem the seam because the polyester won't fray. I did use quite a loose stitch, and you can see that I'm stretching the fabric as I sew. Because there isn't a zip, I'm relying on the give in the fabric each time I take the skirt on and off. If I used a tight stitch and didn't stretch the fabric while sewing, the cotton would probably break and then the waist seam would fall apart. And that's it. When you're thrifting, look out for little gems like this. The uninitiated overlook their potential, and that's how you can pick them up really cheaply. Thanks for watching. Have you discovered a little gem like this dress cum skirt? Let me know in the comments below. Happy thrifting, and make sure you subscribe for more thrifting tips and upcycling inspiration. See you next time.